Hi, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day to all of you. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott, here at LATOKEN.com. Real quick shout out if you want to hear more about today's topics as we're about to run through the news of everything happening in this industry. Join us shortly on VCTV as we have investors focused on blockchain and digital currencies joining us today throughout VCTV to talk and break all this down, where they're putting capital, where they're not, where they're seeing opportunities, and also where they're seeing maybe not so much activity as well. So we've got blockchain and crypto investors a little bit later today here on VCTV, but let's get into it. All right. Big breaking news of the day. Coinbase. Coinbase had filed their S1 a little bit, a few months ago, towards the end of 2020. That S1 filing is now public, setting the stage for their $100 billion direct listing on the NASDAQ. Now, what's really exciting is this S1 being public opens up some interesting insights about the company and its operations over the years since they've started. First and foremost, $1.2 billion in revenue, 332 million in income, 2.8 million active users, with about 1 million of those coming in the last year, $90 billion in terms of AUM, assets under management, 7,000 and growing institutional companies. Brian Armstrong himself made $60 million last year. This is very exciting. If you haven't had the chance, open it up in terms of the S1, dive a little deeper and get a chance to see how this exchange really came to be what it is today. Next up, German fintech firm Solaris Bank is building on its regulated crypto custody service with a brokerage and trading API. Solaris Bank, for those who may not know, provides Samsung, among other companies, with a range of APIs for digital banking and payments. It will offer fiat to crypto trading and instant settlements for within their custody solution and their custody customers. Very exciting. NFTs. It just doesn't stop. Once we think we have maybe hit an NFT bubble, no, there's more. There's more excitement and more activity. A big shout out and congratulations to the digital artist Beeple, who today has sold his recent NFT art piece for a record-breaking sum of $6.6 million in Ether as well. But doesn't stop there. Former MLB player Mekhi Johnson has sold $2 million worth of NFTs representing a painted sculpture that he made recently, dubbed AKU, the Moon God. The physical AKU sculpture was sold during this recent auction, which lasted about 2 days, for over $300,000. So rare. A major blockchain-based soccer gaming platform has raised $50 million from high-profile investors from the likes of Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. For those who may not be familiar, So Rare offers a collectible fantasy football experience, allowing players to manage their players, being footballers, and earn prizes as well. So think about it as bringing the soccer or football experience into digital assets and NFTs, and then being able to play fantasy sports with those as well and earn rewards as well. So stay tuned, more to come in that industry as well. And a big shout out to our friends at Provide and Unibright, who today have announced authoring of a white paper with the Baseline protocol community, outlining a permission-based, council-governed blockchain network that fulfills the major requirements of enterprise organizations for participating in Baseline-enabled processes. Base Ledger is a unified architecture ensuring service quality, data privacy, and integrity. A test net will be released later this year, and all provide ecosystems compatible with Base Ledger. Why is this important? Enterprise blockchain. We've talked about this in a few headlines. We're seeing more activity in general around the enterprise and blockchain entering those technology stacks. This is important in terms of where the ecosystem's going. This is a great work by some outstanding teams. So a big shout out to all of them for laying this foundation. Hopefully those that are tuning in look to this and others that we've read about, whether it's So Rare, Solaris Bank, or maybe even Coinbase, as opportunities for your business as well. And again, shout out to Beeple and Makai Johnson on their recent NFT sales. With that, everybody, I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. That is your blockchain and crypto news for today. Check us out on LATOKEN.com. Also, find us on VCTV in just a little bit as we bring together investors from around the world to share their thoughts and insights about today's activities in the blockchain and crypto industry, along with other technologies, industries, and regions around the world. A big shout out as well to the LATOKEN team, to Maria and Hasmik for making VCTV possible, along with Blockchain and Crypto Today every single day. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. You can find me everywhere at Kyle Ellicott on social media, and some of today's news on topionetworks.com. For the link, check out my profile, but more importantly, join us in just a few minutes on VCTV as we break all this down with investors. Talk soon, everybody. Have a great day.